Once upon a time, in a peaceful meadow, there lived a kind and clever sheep named Sally. She was known far and wide for her wisdom and gentle nature. One day, a mischievous fox named Felix arrived in the meadow. He tried to trick the other sheep by pretending to be their friend. But Sally saw through his deceitful ways. Sally warned the other sheep about Felix's intentions. She told them, "Appearances can be deceiving. We must be cautious and trust our instincts." Despite Sally's advice, some sheep still trusted Felix and followed him. Sadly, those sheep were soon captured by the fox. Sally and the remaining sheep worked together to come up with a plan. They lured Felix into a trap, using their combined intelligence and teamwork. In the end, Felix was caught, and the captured sheep were freed. The meadow was safe once again, and the sheep learned the importance of discernment and unity. The moral of the story: trust your instincts, be cautious of deception, and unity can overcome even the cleverest of tricks.
Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Take care of yourself. We will meet in next story. Thank you.